As balayage has evolved, we have more and more guests looking to achieve not only brightness around their face, but also around the rest of their hairline. Today on Julia, we're going to use the familiar sectioning of 4 quadrants, combined with diagonal back slices to achieve that brightness around the hairline and also dimension throughout the quadrant. We'll begin our placement in the quadrant behind the left ear. To start, we'll take a diagonal back subsection right along the hairline. Behind the ear is where we'll take our first slice. The key here is to keep the sectioning very, very fine. This will ensure we have maximum coverage and also maximum blend. In the nape of the head, where we find the area to be more concave, using our ANZA color board helps us in achieving consistent saturation throughout our subsections. We lay the color board down, and then using our ultra blonding decolorizer, we start our application from scalp to ends. Beginning from the center of the previous slice, we take another diagonal subsection back. This will ensure visual consistency from section to section. For our next subsection, we take another diagonal slice back, ending at the center of the previous slice. We work in this manner, continuing up the rest of the quadrant until we hit the top. As we're working through our quadrant, when we begin to see the transition from the back area of the head into the crown, we're going to reset our guide because of the curve of the head. So we'll take a diagonal back section separate from the ones below. Here, we'll begin again with our fine slices, moving the rest of the way up the quadrant. When working through our front 2 quadrants, we want to assess the lightness we've already achieved. So yesterday on Julia, we pre-lightened around her face. If we want to add additional dimension, we take horizontal subsections, moving from the bottom to the top of the quadrant, again taking very fine weaves as we work. After we processed our foils, we glazed with liquids equal parts 010G and clear for 10 minutes. To finish, we cleansed with our new Bright Blonde shampoo and conditioner, which contains our new Vita C Plex Plus to keep the hair healthy and shiny. And here's our final look for Julia.